Hi everyone, my name is Lo. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be building a PC together. This is Nick, this is my boyfriend, and today we just picked up all of our parts, the rest of our parts, to build a computer. Nick's never put a PC together in the past. I used to work Geek Squad, so I have experience pulling apart some computers, but I have never built my own as well. So this will be a really big learning experience for us. As you can see, we have our parts right here, and we're ready to go.
You don't forget your first love. We were young and wild, we were up all night. You don't forget that summer sun 2009. We were feeling high, and I got drunk for the first time. I thought I was cool.
Not too bad.
It was summertime, the time of our lives. You were on my mind, my ride or die. It was summertime, the time of our lives. You were on my mind, my ride or die.
Alright. I'm like a little kid. Wait, say cheese?
Queso.
Let me ground myself really quick. Ground yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Alright, so the first thing we're going to open is our motherboard. We have... Can you make noise? The first thing we're going to open is our motherboard. We have the Asus Prime Z390A. So Nick's going to go ahead and take that out of the box. And we're going to place it on top of the box to help with keeping it static free and free of debris. Go ahead and do that. He's excited. Let me get the camera for this.
How much look at the board, the quality of it.
So we have the motherboard. This is our I/O shield. I have some of our cables here for our motherboard. Let that focus in. This is our pile of not important garbage stuff, basically. That's what Nick's calling it. It's not necessary. So we're now going to close our box. And once Nick gets it nice and closed, because he doesn't know how to close the box. What are you doing?
There's something going on with the box.
So Nick doesn't know how to close a box, so I'm doing it for him. It's nice and closed. So now he's going to pull our motherboard out of our ESD bag. Hopefully everyone can hear me. I know it's really far. I should have set up my mic, huh?
Yeah, probably.
Sorry everyone, I had to set up our mic. This is our motherboard. So the first thing we're going to do is install our computer chip, our CPU.
Our CPU.
So basically you have to flip this open. I don't know if you saw that. But basically, I open it up like this. Then open this. And you want to line, do you have it open?
No, I need the box cutter. You want to give it for me? Dude, this is hella whack packaging. What the heck?
Basically, you're going to line up the triangle right there on that dot. So where's the triangle? Where's the triangle? The dot's over here. And place it gently. Like just kind of like drop it in. And then wiggle it around. Yep. It should fall in place. Okay, now wiggle it. Nice and secure. Okay, so the next step is to just go ahead and close it down. Well, not that part, but close it down. Make sure there's clearance here. Then push down on the, if you can hold the box down for me. Push down on the lever. Eek. It's hard to do with one hand. Okay. And then this will automatically pop off, but you want to keep this because if you ever need to return your motherboard to the manufacturer because something went wrong, which actually happened to my coworker recently, you do need to keep this. Hopefully get it ARM made. So the next thing we're going to install is our RAM. And we actually are trying to figure out what slots to install the RAM in. So Nick's looking at the book.
Right
I think
here.
we're supposed to do it in 2 and 4. Or B2 and A2. If you're only going to use one stick of RAM for this specific motherboard, you want to put it in A2. If you're using 2 sticks of RAM, you want to put it in both B2 and A2. And if you're using 4 sticks of RAM, you want to put it in all 4, obviously, because there are 4 slots. Okay.
You install one, I install one.
When you install these, you want to make sure you open the tabs up. So again, we're installing in A2 and B2, which I can't see.
The light gray ones.
Okay. So you
It's color coded on the things on the side.
one side might not open, so it might just be like like only one side that opens up. And then when you put it in, make sure anti-static again. You want to make sure that the slots, like the little notch, lines up. So you can see there's a little notch right there. Gonna make sure that lines up. And looks like it's wrong here, so I'm gonna rotate it around. You want to give it a nice firm press when you put it in. Yep, nice and clicked in. Okay. You had it crooked.
Something like this?
You were putting it in crooked.
Dude, I can't see. Need more light. There you go.
Push it in, push down. Push it down. Yep. So that's our RAM. We just installed it. I'm just trying to remember what the next step is. What's the next step?
The next step is probably
The cooler?
either the cooler. Yeah, it's probably the cooler. Or depending on what kind of cooler you have, you put it on the inside the chassis first.
The next thing we're opening is our chassis or our tower because we have to re-educate ourselves on how to install the cooler. So that's gonna take us tomorrow to do. We're doing this a little bit at a time because I work early and I go to bed early. So yeah.
Remember to pull towards you when you cut open boxes.
Don't get bad. What if someone actually listens to you? Don't do that, guys. Always cut opposite of you because you can accidentally hurt yourself. Am I gonna do this? Is that what you're doing? I guess I'm doing it.
Wait, what am I doing?
Pulling it out of the box.
Oh, I was taking a break.
You were on my mind, my ride or die,
Our tower. So we have 2 USB 3.0s. We have, looks like a headphone jack and a microphone jack. And then that looks like it's a recovery button. I wonder how that works out with it, I think. And then our power, our I/O switch button. And yeah, it's nice and black. My favorite color. You want to open it up, Dave? Yeah. This phone's at 20%. Nice.
We don't remove the plastic until we
Yeah, we're
fine
done.
and we put it in.
Yeah. We have our screws here. I'm probably just gonna screw them in a little bit so they don't get lost.
What are you gonna do?
Screwing the screws in so they don't get lost.
Oh yeah, smart. Good job.
2 fans. Yeah. So we're gonna take a break because we don't remember how to install our cooler. So we'll be back probably tomorrow. Yeah. And I need to charge my batteries. Before we cut out, we're just going to open our cooler so that way you guys can see it before we take off for the night.
So, opening presents.
Have the 100i RGB Platinum cooler. It is a liquid cooler because why did we go with liquid again? We just wanted to, right? That's important.
Good.
It's important.
Where's the not important part?
Why are you just throwing stuff?
It's just slid off. I didn't throw it. This is what we need. Important.
So this is important, very important.
Nice. And 2 fans.
What's that called?
This?
Yeah.
The radiator?
What's that right there?
This thing?
Yeah. Show it to me.
I'm trying to take it out. Hold on. It's stuck. This is the radiator. And then this is whatever it's called. I don't know.
Is it the pump?
Yeah.
It's a pump?
Yeah.
So these are the Corsair fans. There's 2 of them. Do we use these? Can we use these ones? Can we use the other ones instead of these? Or do we use these instead? Like, those ones are pretty cheap, huh?
Those are just extra fans.
Is it good to have extra?
Yeah. Always.
Okay.
You want to have the airflow go like...
Where? Do it again?
Like this.
No, make the sound?
Like that.
Okay.
This is a 5-pin connector to whatever that is.
Some other pin. Oh, that's to power it. That's probably for the RGB, huh?
And then here you got the hardware.
The heck, it uses micro USB. That.
And more brackets. And more brackets here. This pasting or 3M to stick.
We're done recording for tonight. Let's go watch some videos. Hey guys, thanks for sticking around for the end of the video. I forgot to film the outro, so yeah, hi everyone. This video is split into 3 days because it did take us longer to build the PC due to me working really early. And I also thought it would be better for you guys so that you don't have to stick through for more than 15 minutes of a video. If you would like to know when I do post the next video, go ahead and hit subscribe, or even better, the bell, so that way you're notified of my next post. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Again, thanks for supporting me and sticking around. See you guys soon. And sorry for the crust. Yeah, today's been a long editing day.